Alright guys, I don't know what kind of bird this is. And as y'all know, I love my birds. I put up frosted strips on my windows to prevent them from flying into my window. But this one here today, he flew into the window and he was very stunned and he wasn't doing well. So I got him some water, or she, and I just take the water and tell it, come on and take some water, stay calm. And as you can see, it's sipping the water real good. Now, I don't know if it wants any more or not, but this is the markings on it so y'all can see this beautiful little bird. I'm not sure. Hopefully he'll be better. Okay? The bird is ready to go back, so I'm going to take him back where I found him. He's definitely ready to go. Let me let him go. He made it. He made it. Oh my goodness, the little bird made it. He pooped on me. There's my little friend. He was very hurt and actually was kind of foamy at his little mouth. And I brought him inside after he had a bump on the window. And I gave him some water and kept him calm. And he started wiggling, letting me know he wanted to go. And now here he is in the tree, just chilling out. He's still a little breath heavy. I'm not sure what kind of bird this is, but I am thinking that that is an indigo bunting. My goodness.